Hello guys, welcome back to Pokemon Stone Dragon. So in the last episode, guys, we technically reached Route 10. Guys, sorry for the background noise. So after reaching Route 10, let's continue our journey. By the way, I didn't grind up Rowlet, as you can see over here. So let's go. From I guess there's a route over here. What glitch is this? One sec guys, I'll check the cheat. So guys, I guess my walkthrough walls cheat was on. I turned it off, so let's go. I don't want to battle this girl. Okay, there's a cave. Let's go. I know a way to level up Rowlet. Technically, Rowlet is only of level 1, so I'll keep it in the front. He's not gonna battle. Wait. I'll show you the way. Nothing will happen to him. Hey, you wanna battle me? Rowlet and Volar, that's what I do. Now I swap in Rowlet for some other Pokemon, say Shades. Yup. So I swap in Rowlet and then use Wing Attack on the Nidorino. Rowlet grew to level 2, 3, that's how I grind up. 5, wow. Wow, this is too fast. Stop, please. 9. Just on 10, man. Seriously cool you are, Rowlet. Oh, shit. You have Thunder Shock. I have Rock Tomb. Rock Tomb and Quick Attack on your face. Dead. Rowlet grew to level 11, man. This guy is gonna just evolve into Dartrix right now. I defeated you. Let's go. Okay, so Vola has just gotten hurt a bit. That's okay, Vola. You can battle. Okay. Let's go. Hey, you. An Elekid? Wait a minute. An Elekid. Okay. First, let me defeat this guy. Go, Vola. Let's go. Sleep powder. No. Shit, man. Wing attack. Wing attack. That's enough of problems. No. Shit, man. Poor Vola. He's getting hit by so many confusions and just forget it. Rowlet grew to level 14, 15. Please evolve into Dartrix fast. I love Decidueye. Sorry, I love Decidueye. I know the pronunciation, guys. Okay, Gloom. Let's swap into Rowlet and then back into Staraptor. Because I know what is next. A grass type stupid Gloom. Let's use Blaine this time, yeah. Because Blaine has not rocked the team since... What? You paralyzed Blaine. No, Blaine, you will be alright, please. Don't do anything to Blaine. Hush. Blaine, you still rocked the party, man. 17. Finally, I can get a Dartrix. Baneri. Okay. Now it's your turn, Greninja. Let's go. Guys, it's actually I have been sneezing. So, let's go. I have a bad cold, but I can still use my gaming videos. So, let's go. We defeated this guy. Rowlet is evolving. That's what I am happy about. So, welcome Dartrix. You are the newly evolved powerful Pokemon on our team. And after getting Chimchar, you will still be not thrown out of the team. Okay, is that an Elekid? Cave Blue. Okay, where am I? Hey, you. You wanna battle me? Okay, you have Wartortle and Sneasel. I have Dartrix and Vola. You are gone. Just gone. Let's trust on Dartrix once. Razor Leaf. Okay, it hits the both Pokemon. I will have to take care of that Sneasel because if that Sneasel uses an Ice Beam, I'm gone. Dartrix is to 18. Okay. Battle Girl Julia has a Diglett. Dartrix uses Razor Leaf. Both Pokemon, the move is super effective, but because of low level, it didn't work. Go for one more, and you use Wing Attack on that Diglett. Now the Water type will get single hitted. Dartrix goes to level 19. Foresight. No. Dartrix doesn't want to learn that. Okay, your last Pokemon is a Watchog. What? No. Shit, man, it's of 29. I'll swap Dartrix. Wait. Shades, I choose you. And I use Wing Attack on you, Watchog. Go, Shades. Yeah, boy, I defeated this guy at least. Dartrix grew to level 20. Shades gained some experience. What? Let's go for Crunch and Wing Attack. I really remember AJ, yaar. My Blastoise. He was also an MVP, but he can't come currently with the team because I added Dartrix. Sorry, AJ, I will be missing you. Love you. Wait a minute. Is this cave blue? We have been through this cave once, right? Hey, you loser. Come and battle me. Wow, you have two Pokemon, Beedrill and Crobat. I have Dartrix and Waller, which I am going to be swapping because Dartrix can't battle right now because he's just too low at level, plus those were flying types. So Greninja, I choose you. Now use Wing Attack on the Beedrill. Come on, be fast, guys, be fast. Yeah, boy, Beedrill is down, and now we only have to defeat the stupid little Crobat. Crobat used Bite, that doesn't do anything to my Greninja, and I used Bubble Beam on you and Wing Attack as well. These two were my first two Pokemon, guys, Greninja and Staraptor, so they have been MVPs by now. Dartrix grew to 23. Thank you, bye, loser. Okay, let's go. Do I have a ladder to go on? Yes, I have it. Okay, another loser. Battle me. Another loser. Yay! Dartrix will get experienced. That's my reaction. Forget it. Okay, let's go. Stabilize attack is being... Just leave it. Dartrix, you have to be swapped. Let's use Sparky Bite for now. And you use Wing Attack on that Pancham. Go. Be fast, guys. Be fast. Oh no, fake out. Shit. Sparky, you are really powerful. I don't think that you are weak or something. Every Pikachu is powerful. Absol, okay. For that Absol, you take this and you take that. Come on, I'm gonna rip you all. Okay, let's go. Wing Attack. No. You protected yourself. Sableye, you are dead. I'm gonna double attack you. Super Potion. Okay. Absol got saved, but what about your Sableye? He dead. Dartrix gained 607 experience. Wow. Sneasel. Okay, Thunderbolt. Next up gets paralyzed on a critical low health. Now it's the Absol time. Yeah, boy. Go and rot in your Pokeball. 1 second, guys. So, guys, now I'm defeating this trainer, and Dartrix did level for 24, and he learned Gust, which is a really cool move. So I taught him Gust. Waller and Sparky gained some experience. Yeah, boy, your Sneasel is stupid. Bruno is defeated. Okay, that Elekid, I don't want it because I already have an electric type. So finally we are on Rota 10. Let's go. So this is a trainer who is just out of the cave. Let's see what you have. Golduck and a Cloyster. Okay. You know my level is more than you. That much the damage comes from me. Sparky, fight, Wing Attack. Cloyster. Be quick, guys. Okay, my Pokemon, they are trying to confuse them. Okay, Thunderbolt. Okay, so you have a potion. Shit, Wallow. Thunderbolt. Cool job, Swaki. Data grew to level 25. Next up is a Swablu. Disable, no. Okay. You can't do that, loser. Yeah, you get a return gift from me. No. Vola is gonna die. 100%. I mean, not die, it's not a Nuzlocke. He's gonna faint. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Skullep. Take down. No. Shit. You killed Sparky, is it? Let's go, Greninja. I choose you. Bubble Beam. Swablu. Wing attack over there. Cool job, guys. Swablu is gone. Skullep is remaining. Bowler used wing attack. That's my boy. Good job, pal girl Lara. Let's go. What's that? Fresh water, wow. Oh, finally we are at Laboom. So, let's heal our Pokemon. And let's take this item, Earthquake. Who shall I teach this item? I mean, not able. Nobody is able. Okay. I am depositing Blaine because Chimchar is joining our team. Paul's Chimchar over here. So, Blaine, where are you? I'm sorry, Blaine. I'll take you back. Okay, let's go from here. Laboom. Oh, no. So we have to find Torre Phantasma. Here it is, Torre Phantasma. Okay. Battle. Fine. Diego and a Ghastly. Wait a minute, Atrix is lower level. Greninja, I choose you. Curse. Wow. Let's go for Bubble Beam. And that's a KO. Guys, now what I will do is I will just see you where Paul and Chimchar are, because then the video will be too long, okay? So guys, I reached the top and now I have to get Chimchar because Paul is running away. Now I guess. Where did they go? 1 second, guys. So guys, I got Chimchar on my team. And now wait a second, I'll save the game again, because now I have to catch Darkrai over there. 1 second. So guys, I made my way to Darkrai. Now let's catch it. 1 sec. So guys, I caught Darkrai. Now I'm gonna nickname him Blake. Okay, because in Pokemon Glazed also Blake has a Darkrai. Let's go. It's in box 1. Now I'll reach the city and meet you guys. Reach back to Laboom and see you. So guys, I reached back to the city. So let's end the recording here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments which new game shall we play. Okay, bye.